Hello crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a real-time card making project. It's about 20 minutes long and well, I'll be sharing the complete process start to finish, showing you how I create a stamped focal point using a clear stamp image. Well, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's take a look at the stamp set that I'll be using today. It's called One for the Books, a charming layering set that lets you build a fun and detailed book theme focal point. It includes some lovely sentiments and tiny accessory images that you can add to your card front to create your book and give it an extra interest. To start, I placed a 3 3/4 by 5-inch panel onto my Altenew stamp wheel. This is a tool that's incredibly handy, especially for layered stamping. Well, I won't be speaking throughout the video, but I do want to talk you through the color choices and the general process before we switch over to some relaxing background music. For my book, I went with a mix of beautiful blues and warm browns, all from the Simon Says Positively Saturated ink line. The blues I used are royal and marine, and for the browns, I chose cappuccino and latte. This was a new color combination for me, so I was really curious to see how it would turn out, and well, I am happy to say I loved the final result. This stamp set is also quite easy to line up. The back of the packaging includes a helpful guide showing exactly how each layer aligns. I decided to turn this into a birthday card, so I stamped the happy birthday sentiment right in the center of the book and added a small coordinating sub sentiment just below the focal point image, both from the same stamp set. The stamp set also includes thank you and I love you, which you can use on the center of that book. Now, this is a very clean and simple card design that's perfect for mass producing or customizing in a variety of different color palettes. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Well, all the supplies that I used here will be listed down in the description box below. Before I switch over to some relaxing music, I just wanted to remind you that this is a real-time video. From start to finish, this card took about 20 minutes to complete. Unlike my usual videos, which are often sped up, this one shows the full process as it naturally unfolds, so you can see exactly how everything comes together. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.